Surroundings here, it's your unified teach. Let's go to the lesson. 7th Standard Science, Chapter 4, Cell Biology. 4.3, Human Cells Related to Functions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Click the bell icon for notification. 4.3, Human Cells Related to Functions. Different types of cells. Our body is made up of many different kinds of cells. Each type of cell is specialized to perform a specific function. Depending on the function, cell has specific shape, size, and may have some components which other types of cells do not have. Have a look at the differences between nerve cells and red blood cells in the images. Even though there are many different types of cells, there are some components common to all types of cells. What's inside a cell? Inside a cell, there are many tiny structures called cell organelles. These organelles are responsible for providing needs of the cell. They work to bring in food supplies, get rid of waste, production and repair of the cell, and help it to grow and reproduce. Each one has a specific function to do for the cell. And if any one organelle stops its functions, then the cell is programmed to die. Cell structure. As we have mentioned before, all cells have some common structure. These are 1. Cell membrane, 2. Cytoplasm, and 3. Nucleus, that is, in most eukaryotic cells. The structure of a typical plant and animal cell shows following peculiarities. Cell membrane. The boundary of an animal cell is the plasma membrane, which also called as cell membrane. Cell wall. All animal and plant cells are enclosed or surrounded by a cell membrane, as you learned before. However, as you might have noticed previously, that animal cells often have an irregular shape, whereas plant cells have a much more regular and rigid shape. Plant cells have an additional layer on the outer side of the cell membrane. This is called as the cell wall, that provides a framework for support and stability. The cell wall is formed from various compounds, the main one being cellulose. Cellulose helps to maintain the shape of the plant cell. This allows the plant to remain rigid and upright even if it grows to great heights. Each cell is interconnected with its neighboring cells through openings called plasmodesmata. Let us see about cytoplasm and protoplasm on the next video. This video is available in Tamil on our channel. If you like this video, please like and share. Please comment below. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.